Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're going to learn how to edit video using VSDC. So yeah, VSDC is a free video editor. Of course. Now it's opened. So let's just create a blank project. So we'll click on blank project. I'm not going to change any of this, but you can if you want to. So the screen I'm using right now, the screen I'm using here is quite small, but so first what we're going to do is we're going to add a video. So we'll press this thing to add a video. We're going to just drag one from the file explorer. How about this video? And then we could choose where we want to put it on the timeline. Just gonna do it from cursor position because my cursor on the start of the scene. So here's the video. So yeah. Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're going to be learning. This is what it looks like. So if I want to cut the video, actually let me just do this. So I have a smaller, area. So if you want to change the size of the canvas, you can use this thing. You just drag it. So if you want to cut the video, well, hi guys, we press Ctrl K to make a cut to a certain place. Now I'm going to press Ctrl K again to cut here, and then this clip I can just delete it, and then I could drag this over here. So if we add some sounds on the background or whatever, we can press the add sound button. I don't really have any sounds. Actually, I do. How about this one? Oh, it's here. Just gonna drag it over here instead. Gonna put out the start. Star. So yeah, the sound is gonna play. It will also change the size of the layers, like this. So like maybe if the one you're working on is more important or whatever. Anyways, oh, you can also change the video size. So that's cool, I guess. And then you can add effects. So, like, let's say it's a video. I want to make it more dark. More gray. So let's choose grayscale. So now, as you can see, inside of the video, so inside this clip, we have the grayscale effect. So here's where it ends. Let's just extend it to there. Now, look, it goes to properties window, and yeah. I'll change the transparency. It just changes how grayscale it is. And then I'll go to the key editor. So the key editor, just, see, it's all the keyframes. So let's say at first we want it to be normal. I'll drag this first keyframe here, and then star. And at this position, we want it to be gray. So this keyframe. So here, I'm gonna create a new keyframe, and I'm gonna drag this up. Oh, wait, no. Star. Oh, so as you can see, at the start, it becomes, at the start it's normal, then it starts becoming more gray. Let's add fades to our video. So video effects, transparency, fade in. Let's add from cursor position. So now just adjust the fade in, and we can also add a fade out at the end. Let's do that right now. Open the command. So yeah. Oh, it's also something you can do. Oh yeah. Anyways, let's insert some text. This text is gonna say, video. Yeah, put the text at the front. Or I mean, I'm just. Anyways, so yeah, we could adjust the text like how you would in other software. So let's change the text size to 120 pt, and let's change the fonts to something else. How about this? This has a video. So we want to make a slide out when the video ends. Well, go to the properties window. And right here, I'm gonna choose the shift transform thing. And so I'm going to go to the shift and go to the properties window. Then here is the X shift level. I'm gonna set both of these to 0. So I'm gonna go to the key editor for the X shift levels. Here it's gonna be 0. Then here it's going to disappear. Now I'm gonna make it disappear to the left. So now let's open the command for the title fades. I mean, no, not fades. I meant slides away. So now finally we can export our video. So let's choose our parameters, which profile do I export it in, H264, and the quality, then the output file. So now we can switch which file formats we want, before AVI, MKV, whatever, and then we could just export the project. Anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.